Welcome back to another explainer. Today, we are tackling something that is literally reshaping our entire world, the sociology and the ethics of artificial intelligence. Now, I know, when a lot of us hear AI, it's super easy to instantly get those Terminator vibes, right? That classic sci-fi fear of robotic overlords. But today, we're moving way past the Hollywood fiction. We're going to look at the incredible and, well, sometimes really challenging realities of this technology. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll be looking at the AI data boom, navigating AI safety dilemmas, bias and algorithmic fairness, how AI actually transforms jobs, and finally, the developer's responsibility. It's a journey from the micro to the macro. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the AI data boom. We interact with AI so constantly now that its data collection has practically become invisible to us. When an algorithm maps a funny dog ear filter to your selfie or uses biometric nodes to instantly unlock your phone, it's not magic, right? It's a massive, real-time data processing event that we've just completely normalized as an everyday convenience. So why the sudden explosion right now? Why is AI everywhere? Well, it really boils down to three converging factors. First, sensors are absolutely everywhere, from the smartwatches monitoring our vitals to the phones mapping our daily commutes. Second, because of those omnipresent sensors, we're basically drowning in data, creating this constant stream of disorganized information. And third, we finally possess the superpowered algorithms capable of actually processing the whole shebang. And this brilliantly illustrates. Think about our data overload problem like this. Imagine trying to find one specific recipe in a massive library that has absolutely zero filing system. It's just a giant, jumbled mess. AI steps in as the ultimate filing system. These new algorithms are like a tireless team of super analysts, driven by some seriously fancy code, working continuously behind the scenes to uncover hidden patterns and make sense of all that chaotic data completely effortlessly. Moving right along to Section 2, navigating AI safety dilemmas. Picture this. A self-driving car is cruising down a chaotic city street. Suddenly, it encounters an absolutely impossible choice. Hit a pedestrian who just stepped out, or swerve directly into the path of an oncoming car. How should it react? We aren't just programming software anymore. We're programming life or death moral choices. So, the crucial point is, this really highlights that AI safety isn't just about avoiding a software crash. It's about baseline trustworthiness for everyone. How do we mathematically weight human ethics into objective functions so machines make the right split-second reactions? These are the profound, heavy ethical dilemmas that engineers and policymakers are actively grappling with today to ensure machines act with real moral responsibility. Which brings us to Section 3, bias and algorithmic fairness. We're currently staring down two very different potential futures. On one hand, AI could be the key to creating a dramatically more equitable world. On the other hand, if we aren't careful, it could heavily exacerbate our existing inequalities. AI inclusivity isn't some automatic default setting. Achieving algorithmic fairness requires incredibly deliberate action right from the ground up. Consider what's known as the bias trap. Imagine a bank uses an AI algorithm to process loan applications. Now, if the historical training data contains human prejudices, like, say, decades of redlining, the AI will simply adopt and scale those prejudices. It systematically discriminates, creating terribly damaging financial consequences, all while hiding under the guise of an objective computer decision. Pretty scary stuff, honestly. All right, on to Section 4, how AI transforms jobs. This is the one a lot of people worry about. Take a listen to this quote from a renowned Indian professor. They noted, "Teachers who embrace technology will flourish, while those who resist will be left behind." And this doesn't just apply to teaching. It applies to almost every profession out there. AI is becoming a ubiquitous collaborator. Flourishing in the future means humans are going to have to aggressively lean into new skill sets focused on creativity and critical thinking right alongside these machines. And the truth is, this evolution is going to create an entirely new landscape of opportunity. We're going to see a massive surge in demand for specialized, highly collaborative roles. Think data scientists, virtual experience architects, AI engineers, and robotics specialists. The opportunities are actively emerging for those ready to work with the technology rather than against it. Let's move to and see how this builds. Human and AI collaboration is already achieving some groundbreaking advancements today. In medicine, doctors are using AI to personalize cancer treatments to a patient's unique genetic makeup. In agriculture, farmers utilize data-driven insights to optimize crop yields, watering, and pest control. And in education, teachers leverage AI to identify behavioral patterns and actually intervene before students drop out. This is the positive impact of collaboration in action, and it's a real game changer. Finally, let's look at Section 5, the developer's responsibility. As this technology scales globally, some folks are proposing a truly fascinating concept, an oath for good. It's a proposed commitment where AI developers swear to use their technology responsibly, ethically, and strictly for the benefit of humanity. It's a surprising yet perfect parallel to a medical doctor's Hippocratic oath. It takes that abstract concept of developer responsibility and makes it deeply tangible and, frankly, morally resonant. Because when developers act responsibly, the macro challenges AI can help solve are just breathtaking. We're talking about tackling climate change by globally optimizing solar and wind power grids. We're talking about personalizing education to unlock hidden talents and accommodate disabilities in every single child. We're even revolutionizing space exploration with highly independent spacecraft. Guided by ethics, AI becomes our most powerful tool for a sustainable future. Which brings us to our final thought. Is AI a friend or is it a foe? Ultimately, AI is just a tool, and the answer is entirely in our hands. By prioritizing safety, algorithmic fairness, and human collaboration, we are the ones who shape what this technology becomes. I hope this explainer leaves you feeling informed and genuinely empowered about humanity's vital role in guiding the future of AI. So, what kind of future will you help build?